Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we bring attention to the Jeddah Tower and its 7 facts. Jeddah Tower, formerly known as the Kingdom Tower, is a remarkable skyscraper under construction in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Once completed, it is poised to be the tallest building in the world, surpassing the current record holder, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The tower is part of the Jeddah Economic City Development, a massive urban project aimed at transforming the city into a global business and tourism hub. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Adrian Smith Gordon Gill Architecture, Jeddah Tower is set to reach unprecedented heights with an estimated final height exceeding 3,280 feet. The tower's design incorporates both Islamic and modern architectural elements, reflecting a blend of tradition and innovation. Its sleek and tapering form symbolizes the aspiration for progress and growth within the region. Construction of Jeddah Tower commenced in 2013, and although it has faced some delays, it represents a significant engineering feat. The building's structure includes a reinforced concrete core and a distinctive exterior featuring glass and stainless steel. The tower's design emphasizes sustainability, incorporating energy-efficient systems and environmentally conscious practices. Apart from its impressive height, Jeddah Tower aims to be multi-use complex, featuring commercial, residential and hotel spaces along with observation decks that will offer breathtaking views of the city and the Red Sea. The project underscores Saudi Arabia's ambition to diversify its economy and showcase the country's commitment to visionary architectural and technological advancements. Here are the 7 amazing facts about the Saudi Arabia's Jeddah Tower. Number 7. Economic impact. Jeddah Tower is not only a symbol of architectural prowess, but also a catalyst for economic growth. The development is expected to contribute significantly to the local economy, creating jobs, attracting investments, and fostering a vibrant urban ecosystem around the tower. Number 6. Sustainable design. Environmental sustainability is a key focus in the construction of Jeddah Tower. The design incorporates energy-efficient systems, and the building aims to achieve leadership in energy and environmental design LEED certification. This commitment to sustainability aligns with global efforts to create eco-friendly and responsible structures. Number 5. Sky Terrace and Observatory. Jeddah Tower will feature a sky terrace and an observation deck, providing breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Red Sea. This will offer visitors a unique and exhilarating experience, making the tower not just a structural marvel but also a tourist attraction. Number 4. Cutting-edge construction. The construction of Jeddah Tower involves the use of cutting-edge technologies and construction techniques. Advanced materials and methods are employed to ensure the structural integrity and safety of the building given its unprecedented height. Number 3. Multi-use structure. Beyond its sheer height, Jeddah Tower is a multi-use development. It will house a combination of residential, commercial and hotel spaces. The lower levels will be dedicated to commercial activities, while the upper levels will offer luxurious residences and a world-class hotel. Number 2. Architectural vision. Designed by the renowned architect Adrian Smith, Jeddah Tower features a sleek and modern design. Its spiral pattern, inspired by traditional Islamic architecture, creates a visually stunning and symbolic representation of growth and continuity. Number 1. Height ambition. Jeddah Tower is set to become the tallest building in the world, surpassing the current record holder, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, with a planned height of over 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet. This architectural marvel aims to redefine the skyline and push the boundaries of skyscraper engineering. In conclusion, Jeddah Tower stands as a testament to human ambition, architectural innovation and urban development. As it reaches new heights, it promises to be a landmark that not only dominates the skyline but also leaves a lasting impact on the city of Jeddah and the world of architecture.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.